Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest Wi-Fi driver on your Windows 11 PC. Now I'm going to show you two ways how to go about doing this, right? So the first way is by doing it directly within Windows. So let's right click on the Windows icon here and click on the device manager. That's going to take you all of those hardware on your PCs, and you can find drivers for them. So here we want to scroll down and look for the network adapter. So you want to expand this network adapter here, look for the Wi-Fi option there, and as you can see that I'm currently using Intel as well, so that's a good indicator. And now you can just easily go ahead and right click on it and click on update. Now once you click on update, it can update to the latest driver for you, so you can click on update and you can scan the internet automatically, and it's going to install the latest driver for you. Another way as well is by simply right clicking on it and clicking on uninstall, and you will be able to uninstall the current version. But then once you do that, you can easily click action at the top and scan for hardware changes, and it's going to search for the drivers as well and install it. Now once it install it, you want to go ahead and click on that, right click and click on update again, and basically search the internet automatically to find the latest driver and install it. Now next way is to visit the Intel website and get that. And as you know that I am currently using Intel, so you can easily type in Intel, Wi-Fi adapter driver, right? You can type in something like that, Intel Wi-Fi adapter driver. And if you type in that, guys, it will take you over to Google search, and you'll find most likely in the list the first option from the Intel website. You can click on that. It's going to take you over here. You can find it, the ID, the date that is the latest one, and it will tell you if you're on the latest version or not, or which version you're about to download. So you can check the options there, select the latest one. It's going to be selected by default, and all you have to do is just hit download here. It's going to pop up accept the terms here. You're going to quickly download on your PC, and if you open up that downloads folder, you'll have this file here on your PC. You can double click on it. It's going to ask you for your user access control. Just will basically allow the admin rights. Click on yes, and it's going to appear on your PC to install. Now once that appears on your PC, guys, let me go ahead and show you. You just need to go ahead and click on next, go through, accept the terms, click on next, and basically just proceed and install it. Now once this is completed, guys, just simply restart your PC, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.